At least it seemed that way. The unbearable tension and oppressive stillness of a Calouse film. This is how they ended. All the other players having left the scene, locked in, and nowhere else to go. And they weren't given in to any other view than that of enemy, contender, and combatant. This is how it starts. This is how we tear apart. Then comes Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf, and before you know it, you're watching horror. It's straight Jack and Joan Crawford's wigging out and coming at you with an axe. And then the birds start singing and picking at everything. And relationships